Hey everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. If you are returning, we're about to get into some foolery. I was on Amazon, you know how that goes. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button before you leave and also the notification bell so you guys know when I post videos. I do makeup reviews, hair reviews, you know, easy makeup application videos, all that kind of stuff. So if you're interested in watching those types of videos, then you are in the right place. Yeah, so let's get started. So I was up late the other night on Amazon like I am all the time and came across this hair bun and figured, let me look into this a little more. I have been wearing my hair up in the tiniest little, skintiest little saddest bun ever, like slicking her up, trying to poof her out, using all kinds of bobby pins, and I'm sick of it. I'm sick of not being able to wear my hair up in a bun, a cute little afro puff. You know, she's getting there, but she's just not there yet. Like, let me go ahead and try one of these little buns. It has colors. The blue looked a little iffy, if that's a good word for it. Definitely not the color blue that I have in my hair, but I figured if I slick my hair all the way up, most of the front is grown out, so you really don't see a lot of the colors, so we can, you know, rig it a little bit. Or, you know, if I'm feeling a little extra, maybe, I know it's synthetic hair, I know you can't really color, but maybe I could tint it a little bit, you know, leave it sitting in some color for a few hours, and we'll see how that goes, but we're not gonna do that tonight. I ain't got time for all that. I just got this in today, so Amazon Prime. I'm gonna go ahead and rip it open, and y'all are gonna see this bun with me the same time that I see it. And yeah, we'll see how this works. Okay, so I will go ahead and put pictures of what the bun looks like online. Of course, Amazon be playing games. They be posting pictures of stuff that ain't got shit to do with the product they're selling, but you know, we all trust them anyway, right? We pretend to trust them until we get the product, and then we mad that it don't look like the picture. Oh, this is what the bun looks like. It comes in different colors. I think this one was like $12, so you know, affordable. If it's a piece of shit, then it's only $12. So it came in this little bag, and it's got a little net on it. Now this is like an afro textured hair. You know, the texture is probably not going to be the same texture as mine, but like I said, we're going to be slicking her up, so nobody's going to see all that. And okay, so this is, oops, this is what the bun looks like. So obviously to my hair, it's not the same. It's pretty close. This looks more like a teal than a true blue, but we're going to slick her up and back so you won't be able to see any of that. So it's stretchy. It's got like a little clip on the inside here. Oh, it's got clips on both sides. So clips on both sides, and then it's got a drawstring so you can just tighten it onto your own bun. And yeah, we could go ahead maybe and try to roll it at some point, put a little bit of product in it. Not product because this is synthetic. I mean, we ain't wasting product on no plastic. But I can go ahead and put some rollers in it, maybe steam it, or put it in some hot water. And y'all know how that shit goes for me. Me and Wigs, if I'm trying to do something to them, it does not work out. I have a couple wig disaster fail videos. I will link those up here if you guys want to see those, because it's literally a hot ass mess, but you know, I'm learning. So this is what it looks like. So what I'm gonna do is slick my hair up into a bun. My hair is so damn dirty right now. I swear I'm probably 2 days, 3 days in before I should have washed it like a couple days ago. I was waiting for this to come in so that I could try this and figure out if it's gonna be something that I'll be able to wear. So I can honestly, the bun's already 8 times bigger than what my little bun is. And slick my hair back up into a little bun, and then we're gonna try this on and see what it looks like. So I already got a shit ton of product in my hair. I put Got2b glued in my hair, which is why it is so stiff. Look at how stiff that is. It is barely moving at all. Like no movement. But I put Got2b glued in my hair the other day to slick it up, so that junk is still in there. So what I'm gonna do is just add a little bit of water, and hold on a second, let me get a mirror so I can see what the hell I'm doing. A little bit of water and just wet the front of my hair and start slicking it back into this little tiny bun and ponytail that she is. I'm telling you that, you can hear that Got2b glue. That junk does not come out until you wash it out. That is some serious shit. Okay, so I have just enough hair to pull up into a little bun now, like progress, right? But she's still pretty sad. And, you know, she needs a little help. A little bit more water in the back. Okay, so, like I said, I got just enough hair to slick up into a little bun. Take some rubber bands so y'all can see how tiny this little thing is. Look at her, she's so little. Okay, everybody, so this is my tiny little baby bun. Yeah, this is just, she's just too little. She ain't cute. She ain't got no body. She makes my head look big, like my face look big. So I need a little girth up top. So that's why I figured I would go ahead and try this little bun. So let's go ahead and, of course, you know how Amazon does. They don't send no damn instructions, so you just sort of gotta figure it out yourself. I'm not going to do anything with this because my hair is so bald-headed anyway. I don't need to like pin it down or anything, but if you guys have a lot of hair, I guess you'd probably wanna go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead. I'm sort of scared now that I got it in my hands. I don't think that these clips on the sides are gonna do anything, but we'll see. Okay, let me go ahead and tighten her up. So definitely you're gonna probably need some bobby pins to make sure that this little girl does not go nowhere because she doesn't feel super secure. And yeah, let me just go ahead and poof it out. I already have way more volume than I ever have. That's nice. I'm just not used to having this texture, but so far it looks pretty cute. I'm just gonna go ahead and have to, like I said, pin this down because you don't want her going anywhere. And let me get a pick so I can pick it out a little bit. I'll be right back. Okay, let me pick it out. Okay, so this is definitely a lot more poof than I ever have, like especially with me growing out my hair. I think it's sort of cute. It did come in natural colors. I might go ahead and order this maybe in another color, like maybe a brown, because my blue, like you can see, is so grown out you don't even see it. But yeah, I'm sort of shocked that it is as cute as it is. So yeah, let me go ahead and turn sideways for you guys so you guys can see what it looks like. I don't even know what the back looks like. I hope it don't look crazy back there. How does the back look? Can y'all see it back there? Let me look at the back because I don't trust not being able to see it. Hold on one second. I swear I'm getting up and down this damn video. Okay, so I think it actually looks pretty cute. It looks like I have like a big afro puff. I am sort of digging this. What do you guys think? Would you guys wear these little buns? Like I said, they come in different colors. They come in natural colors. I will link it in the description box below. What do you guys think? Would you guys wear this? Does it look better than my other little baby bun that I've been rocking? I think I'm gonna go ahead and roll this up and see if I can get the texture to change or the curl pattern to change a little bit. If you guys wanna see a video and me trying to do that, then make sure to comment below and I can try to record myself, you know, you're fucking it up. Cute, I'm not even mad at it. So yeah, anyways, shocked, surprised, it was only $11. I'm definitely gonna be wearing this. I think it's cute. What do you guys think? Would you guys wear it? Or a natural color, of course, if you're not into these bright colors. I'm really not even mad at the blue because it's not, my blue's not showing. So, I mean, it doesn't even clash. I will link these little buns in the description box below. Literally like $11 or $12 for some hair. I ain't mad at it. I hope you guys like this quick little video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys next time. she done got her some hair for $12.